Hello everyone, this is Pax the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we'll continue working with the Chanel style dress for Natalie. We showed you the fabric and we told you what we were planning to do. Have a look at the sketch once again. We drew and cut the dress last time. Today we'll take it and Natalie will try it on. It's impossible to make notches in this fabric, so Natalie is making space and seams on the waist and the other needed details. I need to use a piece of chalk to mark the tacks. We added 10 centimeters for a pleat here, but we need to move this allowance here, to the left knee. I need to fold the piece of fabric in such way that the marked tack is 5 centimeters away from the fold. 6 centimeters would be too much. Five centimeters are perfect. When I tack the pleat, I'll attach this detail to the upper part of the front. Natalie is tacking the center back. Very nice. Natalie is going to tack the shoulder darts next. Don't stick to one and the same design. Learn to work with basic patterns. Use the possibilities they provide you with. Find an interesting design and try to think of the way to make it. This is what we usually do. Don't be afraid of experiments. This dress will look amazing. Have a look here. I'm not going to cut this part now. It will allow me moving it after fitting if needed. We'll just have to remove the tacking and tack it again. We'll insert small shoulder pads in the shoulders. We need to do it for the dress to look more beautiful. Do not forget to make a space and seam on the center sleeve. I remind you that it's impossible to make notches in this fabric. Watch what Natalie is doing. She's just making several stitches in the same place. We also need to make a space and seam to mark the front side of the sleeve. It doesn't really matter where exactly to make a space and seam. We just need to know where the front side is. The seam marks the front side of the sleeve. The back is ready. Next, Natalie will tack the front. She needs to tack the chest darts first. It's hard to draw something of fabric. Anyway, it's beautiful, so we love it. The fact that it's not convenient to work with it won't stop us from wearing it. You can see that it's really hard to draw something here. I marked the wrong sided sleeves. Now I can see that it's different anyway. The right side is brighter. The sleeves will be very beautiful. Natalie is taking the chest darts. I remind you that they should be tacked from the top. The rule is the same for every item. I've already told you that a lot of times. The darts should be tacked from the top and stitched from the edge. Next, we need to attach the lower part of the front to the upper one. Notice that the pleat matches the waist tuck. It's correct. When this seam is ready, we'll tack the side and the shoulder seams. I remind you that the side seams will be 2 cm wide. I love to watch Natalie at work. It's a pure pleasure. When Natalie finishes taking the side and the shoulder seams, she'll try the dress on. I'm making a course on how to make a sheep dress. In the course, I will show you how to line such dresses very thoroughly. This is how the front looks like. I think that it's very beautiful. Next, Natalie will tack the side seams. They will be 2 cm wide. I think that the dress should be made a bit tighter at the bottom. We'll decide it after a fitting. I don't recommend making dresses tighter before a fitting. There is no need to risk. The dress is tacked. Natalie can finally try it on. We'll show you the first fitting. I need to pin the sleeves. Of course, we're going to edge the armholes before attaching sleeves. We just want you to see how the dress is actually going to look like. Natalie has pretty strong arms. This is why we will have to gather the sleeves a bit more than usual. I need to gather the sleeve head in order to have enough space here. I'm pinning the sleeves for you to see how they will look like. Perfect. The sleeves are very beautiful. We want to make the dress a bit more close-fitting. We also want to move this pleat about 2.5 cm further to the right. We'll do it in order not to attach buttons too close to the center front. We're not going to alter this part. We'll just make the side seams a bit wider, and we'll also alter the back a bit. Have a look here. You can see that the center back sags a bit. That means that we need to alter the shoulder seams. We need to tack the back parts of the shoulders a bit more, for about 1.5 centimeters. Notice that when I alter the shoulders, the back doesn't sag. Natalie, you look gorgeous. The dress is absolutely amazing. I also want to alter the waist tucks on the back a bit.
на спиночке, чуть-чуть вот так вот.
Natalie's body is absolutely different from mine. It was impossible to make a perfect pattern for her. The best way to make a garment fit such type of bodies perfectly is altering them on the body. I would make the waist tucks at the front and the back even. Now I can see that I need to alter only the back waist tucks. I'm not going to pin the second tuck. I'm not sure whether I need to alter the center back more or not. We'll see it at the second fitting. That's all we can do for now. We'll see if we need to alter anything else at the second fitting. The front fits Natalie perfectly. The tucks are accurate. This seam is perfect. The pleat should be moved a bit. The sleeves are also perfect. We'll alter the back. These parts are perfect. I remind you that this was the first fitting. I think that the dress looks absolutely amazing. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Paukšte Irina and Natalie. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.